Check this out, guys. I'm at the park headquarters, apparently. I didn't know that was here. I've been eyeballing this place for a long time. It all makes sense in a little bit. I'm driving past Mercedes Road here on the way to the south entrance is where I normally enter. But I always drive past, well, yeah, I drive right here. I drive down here. I see this every day and I'm like, is that how I get to the dam? Yes, it is. And that's where I'm at today. I didn't expect there to be a map or the headquarters. Nice photo. I'm gonna have to camp here tonight, huh? Anyways, didn't expect this. They're all in there working and whatnot. Here's the dam. So I'm gonna take y'all out here to see the dam. This isn't the only dam like this either. I don't know how long the other one is. This one, heck, I don't even know how long this one is. I feel like I probably missed some information I'd like to grab off that map. But, whatever. I think I'm going the right way, eh? Hey Siri, start an outdoor walk. Got the 50 pounds on today, guys, and this is... Probably should have put more in there. But if that's full, cup and pouch and everything, it's like definitely another 2 pounds, I reckon. Yeah, 1 liter is 2 pounds, and this is 1 liter, right? Let's see here. So, where do I go through here? Oh, it just, I see. Looks like I can just walk literally straight where I'm at. It's just I didn't want to, you know, break the rules, do the wrong thing out here. And I do have an annual pass, but I think that means do whatever I want. Eagle Run Trail. It even has a name. Hey, biking. Why wouldn't I do this, guys? Look where we're at. Biking. Gotta get a bike. Yeah, the soccer field is right there, huh? I was wondering. I was like, is this like where I used to play soccer when I was a kid? You know, spatial reasoning. Maybe it has, I don't know. I just drive by heart around here, okay? And everything's like one big elbow. But yeah, that's the soccer field. So I used to play soccer around here when I was a kid. There's another dam in one of the other lakes, and I've climbed up it. Like, what the heck's up with that? Little pathway, that trail. It's like a natural pathway. It goes up the dam even. So I'm not sure what animal's creating that. It'd be cool if it was a human and it was another human trail. Yeah, whatever. Blabbity blab, tired of talking. I'll update y'all when I have scenic views, which seems to be a few miles from here. Let's make a Snapchat, fellas. Fellow viewers. Here's those soccer fields. As long as this thing gets. Huh. I don't know, why did I not have like a mount yet already? I have this. Quite it. This is daunting. Look how far it goes. It's ridiculous. It's like a marathon to do this whole thing in back. Not like I'm at. Yeah, I'm not that far, but I am gonna use y'all as a time warp now. So, well, check out the balloon. I'm gonna Hey, what's up, friends? Look where I'm at today. Been eyeballing this for quite a while, and the more I saw people up here walking around, even riding their bikes, I had to eventually come and figure it out. Free to get up here. Don't even have to have a state park pass, but it is right next to the state park headquarters. And getting to this thing here, this monstrosity, was about 2 miles. Let's see. Yeah, like 2.2 miles to get to this big ugly thing. Not really sure exactly what it does. Definitely some machinery in there because there's water on the opposite side. Don't really know how dams fully work, you know. This is U.S. government property, which I thought was interesting. It's a state park. Am I missing something there? I don't know. Like the glass cinder blocks at the top. Just for, well, I don't know what you would want that for. You're gonna have like a light show in there. It'd be pretty cool to make it today, I guess. But nah, I mean, you put LEDs in there, you make it look cool, and then someone goes in there and gets hurt. Clearly, that's the kind of place you go to get hurt. This is, I mean, this is just straight up. There's a stray cat over there. Bro, am I tripping? Meow meow. Kind of looks like there's a cat perched up on that ledge over there. Probably not. Anyways, this is 100% the kind of place you go and like don't tell anybody, and then they find you years later, and then 10 years after that, Mr. Ballin or somebody on YouTube makes a video about it. So, looks creepy, looks dangerous. Not supposed to be in there. Nobody ever comes around here, really. So, much perfect Mr. Ballin YouTube sort of story situation. Anyways, yeah, state park, San Angelo State Park. Back here, like where I typically walk is still like a mile on the other side of the water. I can kind of see some of that area, and it doesn't look like a mile now. Maybe it's half a mile, but it's lengthy. Like where I walk, like it would not be casual to just go to the lake. It'd be a haul through cactus and stuff. Anyhow, been wanting to come up here for a while. Not hard to get here at all. Not a single person here. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Didn't know you could take bikes up here, or like I think I saw a bike. It just didn't really register until I saw the sign which says you can have bikes up here. Sounds cool, because then you can really knock this out. I could film the whole thing quickly. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see y'all later.